from one another, and I'm sure this is exactly what all the colleagues over here of mine have said, whether it is Joy, Anupam, or Jose. So I think that is most important for us to understand and to learn. So it's not to put down any league. We at UTT have tried hard to keep our cost really low, and I think I'm happy to report over here that I think we are the lowest operating model across any leagues. And at the same time, we will all have our sets of challenges, but we have to move on and we have to see what best we can do from there. So best practices from each league is important to adapt and follow. So that's what we do in table tennis. As far as football goes, the scale is much larger. When you look at a cost of playing field itself can be a lot more. So I don't think it is fair to compare, but what we are doing in football as a country is phenomenal. The kind of talent that we have been able to grow, the kind of talent we've been able to spot in itself is very good. And here again, I remember sending 5 of our players to Metz to train. And 2 out of those 5 have represented India, which in itself is great. So that's what we will have to do it. We will have to go into unknown territories, explore different areas, and see what best we can get from there. So that's what we are here for.
Great. Thank you so much. If I could just ask each one of you, in conclusion, to give your views briefly on how do you see the changing ecosystem, sporting ecosystem in the country, and more importantly, the peripheral industry that is associated with the sport, because the sport might always be at the center of it, but there's a huge industry of related events, or if you might say that, which is associated with every sport. So how do you see the changing or the shifting ecosystem of peripheral sporting industries in the country? Your views.
I think it is important for the entire landscape to grow. It's not only the players, but the support system, whether it's masseurs, whether it is management, whether it is operations. Every aspect has to be nurtured, and that's most critical. And this is what we are trying to do as part of ELMS. We have a tie-up with Loughborough University. And what happens to the players who are number 3, number 4, number 5? What happens to their careers? So we have to make sure plan B is ready for each one of them. We have to make sure every game has technical, tactical, physical, and mental aspect. So how do we grow all the 4 aspects and the support system along with it? And I think this is what is being adopted in every game. So everyone has a physical fitness trainer, mental trainer, tactical and technical trainer. So we have to make sure that the entire ecosystem grows. And that's the only way we will become a superpower as far as sports is concerned. So how do we grow from, how do we go to the Amrit Kal? That is what is critical, and that is what will determine our future as a sporting country.